I'm gonna go to the sewers and kill every monster with a stick. Boom, boom. Okay, well, this is great already. Great stuff. Oh! Great start. Start the other. Actually, I should not have done that. That actually might have been a bad thing. Actually, might have not just whooped. Come on, listen. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! Alright, Turkey down. Oh. Okay, I should find the red one. Please don't go. Okay. No. Oh, now I gotta wait to grow so I can kill the cyst. Yeah, some red mushrooms and stuff. Alright. If I can find it. This one seems easy. Easy. Yeah, sure. An easy kill to this guy. Well, it's one down. Probably won't be the last, but hey. Yep. Oh, nice. Nice little delay. Right. Okay. Okay. Let's switch. I don't know that doesn't happen. Boom, boom. Oh, wow. That's okay. Fine. Yeah, sit down. First level, not level, but first part, I guess. I'm the better version. I'm more rep. Oh no. He's cooked, and I'm cooked. Dear Lord. What? Oh, that was easy. No panic. There we go. Mimic and normal bomb down. I don't know how to kill Flashbanger. Nope. Armstrong lost. Right. It's big bomb. Okay. Let's go for Armstrong first. Oh wow. Oh wow. 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 That's it. Oh, good. I'm gonna try killing him. I need to stop. Need flashbang. I need big bang. No. Wait a minute. Okay, quick. I'm gonna tap him. Yo! No! You're ruining it. No. Okay. Got a little pattern. Go! Damn it! Oh my god, that's gonna be a pain. You're gonna be very big. Okay. Well done. Speak rage bait. I'm just gonna time skip till I get like close to killing them. Yeah, you better. You spawned on my plan. Where's my other? Okay. Please, please. Yes, please. No, what? No. I hate it. this is gonna be a pain. I need a flashlight. Let's move up. Who's on the ground? Quick tap back. Get you into the back. Wait a minute. Oh man, let's hide that. That's not no flash grenades. I'm gonna break through them eventually. Whoa, no. Yeah! Oh, thank you, Lord. Alright, time to move on, because the ants go marching one by one. New rock. Now, this is the final part, and the final pain. I don't know if he's killable. So if I get flashbang, maybe. Step. It is definitely self-technical. Oh, man. Come on. Oh! No. I'm gonna crap. I'm gonna get Don't do it again. Slow and steady. It's steady. Steady is what you need here. Okay. I wonder if he just adapts. If he does, like, and the flashbang doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave him because I'm not gonna try this. It's probably gonna take hours even to get like close to join him. But join him, like, no. If the flashbangs don't work, I'm just good. Let's just leave it at that. Oh, where's this guy? What the? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it off the. Jesus Christ. And here's go. I'm leaving that in the video. That was actually funny, dude. Jesus Christ. I'm leaving that in. Yeah, that's the one. Alright, GG's.